Hi lovelies, welcome back. Today I have come up with outfit ideas for working women. These outfits are casual, give a little bit of formal look and also comfortable. So let's start with darker tones. So first I am showing you this navy blue shirt with a dotted pattern, and it has also lines of red color, and it has a white dupatta, so it looks really nice. And along with this you can wear a navy blue plain trouser and another print of blues which also look very vibrant and great. It has a very bright and funky print, so it looks great. Now let's see an option of green color, which is a Sindhi print kind of print. It looks great. And in this dress you have a embroidered front, so it will give a great vibe. So now let's see this purple dress with a pink embroidery and pink pattern over it, which also look unique and great. It has an off-white border along with the pattern, so which is making it a unique dress and also great for summer. Next I am wearing this navy blue kind of shirt. It is from Gul Ahmadi, and you can see that there was a yellow slit over at the neckline, and there was 3 pearls which give effect of buttons, so it's also look very casual and it's also very comfortable. Next I have this bright blue shirt which has a pink rose pattern, which are also looking very great for the summer. Now let's discuss the black and white tone dresses options for working women. So first I would like to show you this floral pattern dress which has a straight pattern at the neckline, at front and at sleeves, which are going to give it a very great or decent vibes, and the dupatta is also very complementing with this dress, and there was also tassels at bottom and sleeves, and here you can see the lining dress. It's a kind of frock, and there was a pattern at the bottom which is also looking very unique and great at the same time. And you can see that the neckline is connected to the side, and there was also thin pattern. So here is a black dress on which there is a skin kind of thread work, which also make it a little bit of formal dress, but it's very comfortable and gives a casual vibes as well, so it's great for working women. So go for it if you like this kind of thread work. So my next option is a little bit towards the western side, so I am wearing a black top along with the printed bell bottom cheetah print trouser, so it will also look great, and it is great for meeting. My next dress is also dominant in black and white color along with little bit of vibrant and bright colors. So I have paired it with vibrant colored trouser, which is also from Rangcha. So you can see that it has a thread tassels at the neck, which is making it unique and casual for working women. So next outfits are in pastel tone. So let's begin with the peachish pink color, and it has an orange kind of print and a light pink the slits at the side and at the neck, so which is making it a very nice and decent color for wearing as a working woman. So next is a baby pink color with the thread work embroidery and white embroidery at the sleeves and at the bottom. Next I am wearing a light or baby pink color dress along with the darker pink border at the neckline, at the front and at sleeves, and it has also a light green print as well. Next I am wearing a peach color dress along with the combination of red, so it has a pearl buttons which look very great. So it is a very pastel and soothing colors in summer and great for working women as well. So next is this light peach color along with the combination of orange and brown, so it is also giving a very nice and soothing effect in summer especially. And next I have this white colored dress. It has embroidery of lavender or pink color along with the little bit of black color, so it is going to give a very great vibes. Hope you have enjoyed this outfit ideas for working women, and please consider subscription if you find this helpful. Bye.